Good afternoon, friends. How are you all? Already, I have told that transformers is the heart of electrical system. In electric traction system, in locomotives, and in electrical general in railway plays an important role for proper utilization of it. Moreover, its efficiency is very high. Also, physically static and not having rotating parts except for its cooling with fans. Now, its use in railway, I shall discuss about it. Traction distribution, power transformer. Its purpose is to deliver power supply with suitable voltage, mainly stepping down it. Incoming is mainly 66 kV or 132 kV or 220 kV or 400 kV or more. Generally, to reduce the current for the delivering a certain power, hence reducing the transformer, transmission and distribution conductors cross-sectional area. Also, the loss depends on I square, hence loss also can be reduced. Due to two sides, primary and secondary, it forms two separate circuits, magnetically linked but not electrically. The role of circuit is to follow its own closed circuit. It is electrically a separate working circuit taking power from primary by mutual induction. Use of various transformer, current transformer, a low burden or voltampere is used. As we know, primary and secondary are not connected electrically, so secondary low ampere is used in panel board safely to protect the panel board and as well as the operator. Potential transformer. It is also a low burden transformer which receives 25 kV in primary and by mutual induction gives out 100 or 110 volt in secondary for the use of panel board, relay, meter, etc. safely. Bushing current transformer. It is used in power transformer bushings for differential relay safely by reducing current. Isolating transformer. Sometimes in telecommunication, the line which runs parallel to railway track as well as railway overhead conductors, but if the parallel run is more, induced voltage of which may result appreciable induced voltage, thus distributing communication, so the length is divided by the use of isolating transformer. Intermediate current transformer. Sometimes ICT is used further to reduce the current mainly in solid state relay or numerical relay. Auxiliary transformer. It is used to reduce the voltage from single phase 25 kV to 230 volt of capacity from 5 kVA to 100 kVA for its power supply purpose. 2 into 25 kV power transformer. It is used mainly two types. First is cot connected. In primary, the three-phase power supply is used for avoiding three-phase load unbalancing, and in secondary, two windings are there, main winding and teaser winding, and both giving an output of 2 into 25 kV, but mid-tap of each winding is connected to railway track and earth with earthing mesh to act as neutral. Single phase 2 into 25 kV. In this system, the primary is connected to two phases and secondary output is 2 into 25 kV. where the mid-tap of secondary is connected to rail after earthing through earthing grid. It has two connections. One is only one power transformer and second is with three single phase transformer, and where one transformer is always in standby to form the open delta connection. Three single phase transformers with alternate two phase in primary of three phase system and secondary alternately one transformer is in standby to form open delta connection. Here the power transformer has been shown. It has primary winding and secondary winding, but there is no electrical connection between primary and secondary. Simply with the mutual induction, the power transmitted to the secondary without any electrical connection. So it is forming two circuits. One is primary circuit and one is secondary circuit. And this principle is used very nicely in our power supply system, like current transformer. Current transformer is like our 100-watt bulb. Our transformer may be of huge power capacity, but the bulb or light is taking only 100 watt or 18 watt for LED. In the same system, our transformer is having huge power, but the current transformer is taking only 100 volt ampere maximum. 100 volt ampere maximum. Similarly, the potential transformer is taking nearly 60 volt ampere. The transformer is of 40 megavolt ampere, but is taking as little power from it. So it is safe. The secondary, the current we are reducing in current transformer, and in the potential transformer we are reducing the voltage and using it in the panel board for relay and meter. So operator is safe. So operator is safe. So this is the magic of the transformer. It is the heart of our electrical system and very useful. Thank you, friends.